The body kits that I designed are not in production yet. I don't want to say too much. There's some things in the works, but if you're a manufacturer or a company who's looking to produce some new stuff and you like my designs, feel free to send me a message. Maybe we can work something out. Guys, we did it. It's real, and it's here. As you just saw, this is something that I hinted at like a couple years ago in one of my other videos. It's the wide-body FRS that I designed really just for fun, is now in production and is available for purchase. The name of this kit is Karma, and it's actually produced in Indonesia. You might have noticed in my other videos and on my Instagram that I mostly design for supercars, exotics, and stuff like that, which is mostly true. I work on high-end specs, custom designs and wraps and stuff like that. Not only do I do that, but I also work on designing some aerodynamic parts for any car, really. But I also try not to discriminate, since I'm really just a car guy who likes pretty much anything on 4 wheels. But it's crazy to think that my designs are now something that is actually in production. But I did want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Signal Custom, who was responsible for reaching out to me and wanting to work together to build this. And also Kiki, Anugraha, who we used his car for the first ever kit. This is the car that you're seeing in all the shots in this video. Also a big thanks to Autospot for the paint and carbon fiber work, which came out flawless. It's just amazing. Also Rotiform, Toyo tires, and also Garasi Drift, who I took some of the bits and pieces from their video about this car from their YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out. I'll link them down in the description below. Now, if you would like more information how to purchase this kit, you can email karmabodykit@gmail.com. They should be able to help you out with any of your questions. We really priced this kit to be a lot less than the Liberty Walk, the Rocket Bunny kits that are out there currently. Something that is a little bit more attainable for the average person. So I'll just leave it at that as far as pricing. Feel free to email them. They'll be able to give you anything you should need. But before I go, this video wasn't just about, oh,
here's my body kit, please buy it.
It's meant to serve more as a reminder to always follow your dreams and stay persistent in your goals, and good things will happen. You know, I've heard that a lot throughout my career, and here I am. I have a part that is now in production that you could buy, and it's just a symbol of all the hard work and dedication. No matter what you're doing, just ignore any hate and just keep moving forward towards your goals, and good things will happen. So again, I just want to thank everybody that was involved to make this happen. I'm super excited about it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design.